Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech and finance tips. Understanding your credit score is crucial for navigating the financial world. This video, inspired by Bankrate's insightful article on checking your credit score, will break down everything you need to know. We'll delve into the importance of your credit score, the various ways to access it, and what factors contribute to its calculation. Checking your credit report and score is a vital step towards financial health. Many people wonder, how can I check my credit score? Well, there are several convenient methods available. You can access your score through free online services, many credit card companies, and various financial institutions. Some services offer free credit reports and scores, while others might charge a fee. It's important to research and compare different options to find the best fit for your needs. A critical factor to remember is that there isn't just one single credit score. Different scoring models exist, and lenders may use different ones depending on the type of credit you're seeking. This means your score might vary slightly depending on the source. Don't be alarmed if you see a small difference between scores from various providers. Understanding the different credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, and the scoring models they use is helpful in interpreting your creditworthiness. So, why is checking your credit score so essential? A good credit score unlocks numerous financial opportunities, such as securing lower interest rates on loans, qualifying for better credit cards, and even influencing rental applications. Conversely, a low credit score can significantly limit your options and make borrowing money more expensive. Regularly monitoring your credit report and score empowers you to identify and address potential errors or negative information that might be impacting your creditworthiness. By staying informed and taking proactive steps to manage your credit, you can pave the way for a more secure financial future. Remember, knowledge is power, and understanding your credit is a powerful tool in your financial arsenal. For further details and a deeper dive into this topic, be sure to check out the Bankrate article linked in the description below. Thanks for watching.